knife is used to shape an item and reduce its size. Uniformity of size and shape ensures even cooking and enhances the appearance of the finished product. Moreover, knife skills are the most essential and basic skills that a cook or chef must learn. The knife is divided into two main parts, the blade and the handle. The blade is the part of the knife used for cutting, mincing, chopping, and other dividing tasks, while the handle is the part where you hold the knife. It covers the tongue, rivets for extra security, and the butt. I demonstrate how to grip a knife. A knife can be gripped in a variety of ways, but always remember to use the grip that always most comfortable and doesn't make your hands tired. There are two types of gripping styles: the blade and handle grip. Blade grip are the most common grip. Hold the handle with 3 fingers while gripping the blade between the thumb and index finger. Handle grip, a variation on the most common grip. Grip the handle with 4 fingers and place the thumb on the front of the handle. To safely produce even cuts, you must control your knife with one hand and hold the item being cut with the other hand. One of the most safe cutting methods that produce good results is the claw position. Using the second joint of your index finger as a guide, cut a slice using a smooth, even, downward stroke. Adjust the position of the guiding finger after each slice to produce slices of equal size. After a few cuts, slide your fingers and thumb down the length of the item and continue slicing. For this slicing technique, the knife's tip acts as the fulcrum. I demonstrate how to sharpen a knife. Among sharpening tools, whetstone is the best so far. Not only will it give you the best edge, it also removes the least amount of material. Whetstone has 2 sides, the fine side and the coarse side. Step 1. Soak the whetstone on a glass with water and wait until the bubbles disappear. Step 2. Put the whetstone on a piece of clothing. You should angle the knife to 23 degrees. To make sure it is on the right angle, take a paper and fold it in 45 degrees and 22.5 degrees. Step 3. Lay the heel of the knife on the paper and drag it down. Press the knife down into the whetstone from the heel over to the tip. Going back and forth, one side and then the other side. Make sure to keep the 22.5 degree angle and also keep the even pressure throughout. Don't make the whetstone too dry because it creates a drying sound, so sprinkle it with some water. You do it on each side before moving on the fine sides of the whetstone, and then drag the heel of the knife to the tip at a 22.5 degree angle. And once you feel you got your knife pretty sharp, you conduct the tomato test. Cut the tomato, and if you see any dull spot, you have to go back sharpen it with a whetstone. And if you cut it finely, then your knife is sharp and ready to use. different cutting techniques in using a knife. Chiffonade is a French cutting technique that you can use with things like lettuces and other leafy vegetables. First, wash the cabbage in running water and blotting them dry and take off the steam. Next, evenly stack the several leaves flat and lengthwise. Tightly roll the leaves into a bundle. Once it's rolled, use a sharp knife to cut into thin slices using the CCA technique or the claw position. Rondelles or round cuts are easily made disc-shaped slices of cylindrical vegetables or fruits. Clean the carrots in running water and peel them off using vegetable peeler. First step, hold the carrot and steady it in the claw position with your hand. Second and last step, using your knuckles as a guide, slice through the carrot gradually and evenly with a chef's knife. Diagonals are elongated or oval-shaped slices of cylindrical vegetables. First step, hold the carrot and steady it in the claw position with your hand. By using your knuckles as a guide, use a chef's knife to slice the carrot steadily and evenly in a 45-degree angle. Oblique cut or roll cut items are small pieces with two angle cut sides. It is a relatively simple cut most often used on carrots and parsnips. Step 1. Lay the carrot on the cutting board and you hold the carrot and steady it with your hand in the claw position. Position your knife 45-degree angle and make a cut. Then rotate the carrot 90 degrees towards you and make another cut at 45-degree angle. Come back, cut at 45 degrees angle again, and so on. Lozenges are diamond-shaped cuts prepared from firm vegetables such as carrots, turnips, rutabagas, and potatoes. Hold the radish with your hand in the claw position. Slice it into even-sized slices of the desired thickness. Then, cut the slices into even strips of the desired width. Lastly, cut the strips at a 45-degree angle to produce diamond shapes. Julienne is the French name for a method of cutting vegetables into thin strips. Hold the carrots in your hand in the claw position. Using ruler as a guide, slice the carrots with a 2 inches length. and then cut even slices of the desired thickness of 1/8 inch. The julienne and bâtonnet are the all terms to describe the same type of cut. The only difference between them is the thickness. By using a roller, slice the carrots with a 2 inches length. And then, cut even slices of the desired thickness of 1/4 inch. Brunoise is made by cutting the item into sticks following the procedure for cutting julienne, then making cuts perpendicular to the length of the sticks to produce small cubes with a dimension of 1/8 inch times 1/8 inch. Using a roller, slice the carrots with a length of 2 inches and with a width of 1/8 inch or the julienne cut, and then cut even slices with a dimension of 1/8 inch times 1/8 inch. Paysan is a classic vegetable cut for garnishing soups and other rustic-style dishes. It could be described as a very thin 1/2 inch cube. Clean the potato in a running water and peel them off using vegetable peeler. By the guide of a ruler, slice the potato with a 1/2 inch length. And then, cut even slices of the desired thickness of 1/8 inch. Tourné, or the torn in French, is a cutting technique that results in a football-shaped finished product with 7 equal-sized and flat ends. This is a more complicated procedure than other cuts. It takes considerable practice to produce good, consistent results. Step 1. Cut the carrots with a 2 inches length and with a diameter of 3/4 to 1 inch. Step 2. Hold the carrots between your thumb and forefinger. Then, using a French knife, cut 7 curved sides on the carrot, creating a flat-ended football-shaped product.